Next move is roll back and whirl arms. Really nice one. So from play the lute, we're up on the left heel, we've got the hands out in front. Present the left hand, turn a doorknob. You're going to pull the right hand back, keep watching it as it goes, and it's going to come over the top of something, and then it's going to start pushing towards that hand, and that hand's going to start pulling. At the same time, however, you're going to step in, step back and out, come up on the toes of the right foot, and as you push with the right and pull with the left, pivot on the right foot so you push your heel out. Nice powerful pull movement like that. And you turn the right palm up, step in, the left hand comes around now, that comes over, step back, come up on the toes of the left foot, push the heel out as you push and pull, turn, come over the top, step in, step back, toes of the right foot, push out, turn, come over, step in, step back, toes of the left foot, push the heel out. So in real time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand is a pusher, right one is a puller in that instance. So push and pull, really strong, powerful core movement. The reason for doing the thing with your toes is to add to the twistiness. As anybody who's ever done boxing will know, arms are very weak muscles. So a boxer try to punch you like that, it would hurt, but not as much as if they used everything, because a lot of the power comes from the bigger muscles in the body. All this is the thing that transfers the power. So we start here. Normally we watch the active hand. So this one, that's the active hand there, but now this is the one that's moving, so that's the active one. So this one is still the active one that's in front, but now this one's the one that's moving, so that's the active one. To there. Come right towards you for this one. So we're starting there, push, turn, over, back and through. I normally give it a bit more razzmatazz than some other people do, just because I think it's a nice move. You could, if you wanted, in the beginning when you're a little bit unsteady, it can be just here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a nice, steady backward pace until you get used to walking backwards. Because we don't usually walk backwards, when we do the full form, the idea is to finish where you start. One of the primary reasons for people not finishing where they start is they either take too big a steps backwards because they think they don't really know what it should be, or they take too small. Too small in the sense that because they're going backwards they lose balance quickly, so they take really small steps, or too big steps because they kind of go like this. But ideally what you're doing, again, less is more. If a forward step is that distance, a backward step is just the same distance backwards.